In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. If you're getting too many emails from Jotform and want a cleaner inbox, this walkthrough will show you how to quickly turn them off at the account level. We'll go from opening your workspace to finding the right settings to flipping a single switch that stops non-essential messages. I'll also share a few notes so you know exactly what changes and what doesn't. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Jotform workspace. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on the main dashboard. This workspace is where you manage forms, tables, and approvals, so it's the right place to begin. Give the page a moment to load fully. Sometimes account menus appear only after the dashboard is ready. From here, look for the settings area of your account. Depending on the current layout, you'll typically see a gear icon or a profile menu in the upper right, or a settings option in the left sidebar. Click into settings to open your account preferences. This is where Jotform groups controls for privacy, security, and communications, so you won't need to dig through individual forms to make this change. Inside settings, locate the option labeled Turn off all Jotform emails. It's usually presented as a single toggle or checkbox under Communications or Email Preferences. Click to turn it off. This action stops Jotform's marketing emails, product updates, tips, and other promotional communications sent from Jotform to your account email. It's a quick way to reduce noise without affecting the functionality of your forms. A couple of important clarifications. Turning off all Jotform emails here does not change the autoresponders or notification emails tied to your individual forms. Those are configured per form and will continue to send unless you adjust them separately. Also, account critical messages like security alerts or billing notices may still be delivered when necessary to keep your account safe and up to date. If the interface prompts you to save changes, confirm before leaving the page. Otherwise, the toggle applies immediately. You can return to this setting anytime to re-enable emails if you want to receive announcements or tips again. That's all you need to do. Open your workspace, enter settings, and turn off all Jotform emails. It's a simple tweak that keeps your inbox focused while your forms keep running. If you manage a team, consider letting colleagues know about this setting so everyone has consistent expectations about communications. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter, more streamlined Jotform experience.